Hello guys. So yeah, I already kind of actually thank you guys for choosing this video. I already forgot to record, but basically me and my dad took the engine off. It's a two-stroke, and who I got the owner from found it in a dumpster and then gave it to his friend, aka my friend, and I asked if I can have it, and he gave me it. I thought it was gonna be a great YouTube thing, right? Yeah, perfect YouTube thing, right? I hope this video gets a lot of views, and if it doesn't, that's okay. But I really wish it does and it gets viral. But basically, whoever threw it away or everything. Or anything. This pot was right here, and it says full right here. My neighbor was actually in here. He spotted it. It's kind of good. It's kind of hoping that something he'd spot. But yeah, and also good news. I think. Wait. So good news. She was probably saying, where'd the body panels go? So I went to Home Depot today and painted it red. Yeah, so we painted it red. This is more like a dark red. On camera it looks kind of bright, but basically it's like Milwaukee red. A little darker. It's actually here. I'll tell you the type of red right now. I go here into my shop. It's like a colonial red. Some Italian red or something. Basically, if your Milwaukee tool wears and you have it for a while, probably it's that red. And you got good news and bad news. So I'm crazy. Throttle got stuck and it got annoying, but basically here's all the screws and parts. Let me tell you a rundown what I need to do. So this spark plug right here, E312, is rusted, and that it's rusted is not good because, as you guess, it don't work. It don't get a spark. Second of all, this filter is hella nasty. And the seal is kind of broken right there. I really need a new camera, don't I? Oh, my parents have one. I can just use that one. That'd be a great, I think. So, yeah, this is kind of, see this little mark right here? That was on the swing arm when I was moving. It scrunched it. And so I need a spark plug. This will probably hop in AutoZone tomorrow. Knew that. And I don't need a new gearbox, but it's, so let's say this is spinning 100 miles per hour. It would be going 50 miles per hour. 200. So I did the calculations and the math. Really, I didn't. But look, I'm slowly spinning it. It's going 2 times faster. And calculations, I'm going 3 miles per hour. That's going like, but yeah. And then the throttle was kind of buns. This literally just slid on, and that kind of just went like that, I think, something like that. And then that just screwed onto the bottom. Let me put this together real quick. And I screwed that back in. But yeah, basically, oh, that was the nut. Oh. Wait, if that's, okay, that's the nut. So, wrong thing. Wait, wrong. Right thing. So yeah, basically that goes like that. And then that goes like that, guys. And that literally just slips into the handlebar. Kind of just moves around, brings the cable. And since it does that, also my hands are really dirty, don't mind that. We've ran into another problem. I am trying to find the model of this bike. On Fish Marketplace, I saw some models, but I keep forgetting. My neighbor asked for the model and he could get more into it and find the parts for me, which, thank you, neighbor. And also, alright. Chicken on the grill, which is nice. And next video, probably gonna have an expensive camera rolling right now, maybe. I don't know. But yeah, this is fine. This is actually really good. I'm probably gonna open it, re-grease it, put new grease in it, see if any springs or stuff for that. Okay, let's get to the engine. I should do guys the painting. Oh. Also the number plate. Guys, should I put like number 1? I could vinyl cut. I don't have like an actual Cricut machine thing, but oh, my dad just came in. But yeah, like a 01 maybe, or whatever. Let's 05 maybe, 011, 06 set, like just 67, and then RC Yakub right here, and so people know when they're driving around, riding around. Also, let's get to the engine before I forget. Okay, so here we're on the table. We got the engine. So basically, the throttle right here is, I don't know, guys, in the comments, is it supposed to be kind of wanking around, or is it supposed to be like tight on there? I don't see how it would fit, but it's a ZK carburetor. I see the ZK right here. This little vacuum pump, it's not ran by electricity or anything because there's some battery, but something's wrong right here. The lid won't go back on. And then I don't know what's wrong with this wire, but it goes to this clamping spark plug I said already. Just lower you guys down so you can see the motor better. So it's a 2-stroke. And also a new pulley would be great, or electric start. This tripod is kind of buns. Okay, so a new pulley would be great because it's kind of broken. See a crack right there, or am I just filming it? Well, whatever. So we have a full can of the fuel, what we need for it. And my dad, what else does he want to do? My neighbor, he just came in here a couple hours ago, and he said, oh, we found a problem. This little vacuum thingy, the little cap won't go on. When there's fuel, it leaks. So whoever had it before my friend found it from the dumpster, if you're watching this video, why? Like, you need like a special thing. It's like just a clamp, basically, but my neighbor has a special, he does detailing on cars, element detailing, his thing, element detailing again. Maybe one day we'll get sponsored by him. You never know. But yeah, Mom got a new car a while ago, actually. A month ago now? From now? Yeah, which is pretty good. More videos on the gas dirt bike, more videos on the dirt bike, more videos of electric scooter and the crazy car. And the cats. Or just regular old videos, whatever. Normal. Oh my god, this heater's annoying. What else will be posted? Maybe. Ooh. I don't know if I told you guys about the boat, but I still need to make a YouTube video on that. I didn't post it yet, but remember, every Saturday, gotta post today. I'm posting right now. As soon as this video I probably edit it, and then, yeah, also, Joey will be in future videos. So is Thomas, maybe, my dad. Maybe in you, it's almost winter. That means crawler season. I made a salter. I don't know if I made a video about it. I can't remember. But, oh my god, it's fly. Shout out to Joey and Thomas especially for letting me take his dirt bike off his hands. He said it's just rusting. But basically, that's the end of this video. And what else could we do? What else? Also, Christmas coming. Which is good, but also kind of bad. Same time. But Thanksgiving break, probably get this thing running. Hopefully. My friend Thomas, who gave me the dirt bike, he said, I tried it last month for the last day of summer, and he said it ain't run for him. And also this thing is broken. Yeah, but so this choke is automatically always open, which is kind of weird. But yeah, probably new stuff buying. Next video, Wednesday, 4 o'clock. Again, Wednesday, 4 o'clock. Saturday, Saturday, 5 o'clock. Saturday, 5:45. Saturday, again. Saturday, 5:45. We will see you in the next video. Remember, like and subscribe. If you don't know what's gonna happen. Please, guys, let's get us to 200, by the way. Goal 200. If we don't, I want to hit 200 or 175 by the end of the year, which is 2 months. Sadly, almost 2025 is over. But, ooh, the camper. Next year will be probably a lot of posts. Hopefully I get a 2DO for Christmas or some kind of dirt bike. Because the 350 Razor is kind of slow and small for me now. The dirt bike, what I got, I don't even know if it's going to run. Maybe we just need a new engine. I don't know. Engines are pretty cheap nowadays. Actually, no, they're not, but yeah, they are. So, like again. See you in the next video. Wait, actually, no. Yeah, see you next video. It's not end of the video yet. We will do, I will try to film a YouTube video during spring break. Not spring break. Not spring break, winter break and Thanksgiving break. Some videos, sorry. Videos, maybe some lawnmower videos. Also, those giant leaves, but maybe next video would be not a compound tour, aka my yard tour, with the garage, the cats, shed, and stuff like that. So, this is the. Also, which is funny, all these like Chinese or American dirt bikes, like these mini pit bikes, they always use the same rear shock. Except RTR, maybe, I think. ETM RTR, Electron Code. And I believe the Pro Spec. Guys, hopefully we get a dirt bike on Christmas, a better one. I'll make a lot of videos on that, and also remember Joey's TikTok. I'll put it up on the screen here, and then Riker Rider. And actually no, yeah, Riker Rider, Joey's TikTok, 6'7". Riker Rider already has 60 subscribers, and he thanks to me. Actually, I don't know if thanks to me, but I wish we could be friends. Thing is, he lives in Florida, I think. Near Florida, near the ocean, because palm trees. So guys, see you in the next video. Like and subscribe. Riker Rider's video, YouTube, and then Joey's TikTok. Make sure one day maybe me and Sriracha will be friends, or C-Boys. Also, make sure to guys go check out C-Boys video. They just hit 5 million. It's pretty crazy. I started watching them when they had 3 million subscribers. Just crazy. See you guys in this next video on all this stuff on my yard. Maybe we'll find a new find. We'll see you in the next vid. Peace.